Welcome to my channel Adhyan with Pro. So let's start with cockroach. Guys, cockroach belongs with our largest phylum. We call it as a arthropoda. Yes, arthropoda. Largest. And second largest is molluscans, crustaceans. Now their class is what? Insecta. Phylum is what, guys? Phylum is what? Arthropoda. And class is what? Insecta. Clear, guys? This is clear. And now I think all kids are familiar with what is cockroach. I think here is no one in this planet who don't know what is cockroaches. Look at here. If you forget, this is the cockroach. And now for clear vision, you can Google this. Okay. Now here is writing some their outer appearance, where they located, their body size. This is not important for competitive exam. No, guys. This is not important for competitive. This is the general introduction to familiar about what? To familiar with cockroach. Okay, their body color, their wings, they have wings. Okay, they found in tropical region. Their size is what? 3 inches. Okay, they have antenna, they have legs, they have some kind of wings. Okay, and this is not beneficial for human. No, guys. In fact, bees are useful, earthworm are useful, but cockroaches are not useful according to if we calculate for human welfare. Okay, so let's start some morphology, because this is the long type question in your class. Okay, sorry, your exam, 11th exam, that describe the morphology of cockroaches with labeled diagram. So you have to practice this diagram. You have to practice this diagram, and after then you can easily describe one by one their what? Their characteristics. Okay, so let's start with what? Morphology. Okay, so their scientific name is Pariplaneta americana. What a unique name. What a unique name. About 34 to 53 mm long. This is their length, guys. 34 to 53 mm. Wings that extend beyond the tip of the abdomen in male. Wings also contained by female. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, now cockroach's body is divided into 3 parts. First is head. Okay, sir. Second is thorax. Okay, thorax means chest. Third is abdomen. Okay, sir. Now you clear. So cockroach's body is segmented. According to their segmentation, they divided into 3 parts. First is head, second is thorax, and last is abdomen. Okay, the entire body is covered by hard chitinous exoskeleton. Yes, their outer body, their whole body covered with chitin. Their chitin, guys, they are very rigid, blackish in color. Okay, they are very hardens. Okay, in each segment, exoskeleton. Wait, I'm erasing something. Okay, where I am. In each segment, exoskeleton has hardened plates. Call it sclerites. Guys, their segments, what they contain? They contain what, guys? They contain some hardened plates at their lateral side, at their joining side, and at their covering side. We call it as a sclerite. Dorsally located sclerites, we call it as a turgets. Dorsal face means, guys, listen to me. This is their back part. This is the dorsal view. And ventral part, assume, guys, let's assume our dorsal part, where we say dorsal part, our backbone, where our backbone is present. This is the part of our dorsal side, where our heart is located. This side is ventral side. So if sclerites present in the front part, their front part is attached with direct bottom surface. Okay, so their bottom sclerites, we call it as sternites. Important, guys, important. Dorsal upper part, turgets. All right or not? And they are both connected with, joined to each other by a thin flexible articular membrane. Important, guys, important. Exam question. Okay, look at here. I elaborate for you which part we call which. Guys, this is the antenna, their sensory organ. Compound eye, look at here, their eyes. Yes, guys, they also have eyes. I know this is not important, but they also contain eye. This is the head, triangular shape. Okay, protonotum, look at here, this is the protonotum. Mesothorax, guys, there is a prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. This is the sequence: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Okay, guys, mesothorax, metathorax, and prothorax. Clear or not? So mesothorax, they also contain what? Legs. Metathorax, they also contain legs. Prothorax, they also contain legs. Yes or not? Yes or not? But their mesothorax, they also contain wings. Wings are 2 types. These are hind limbs, and these are what? Forelimbs. In our common language, these are hands, and these are legs. Hind means are legs, fore means hands. This part is abdomen. These are abdomens, and this is the anal cerci. These are anal cerci. They found in some special feature. How do you measure that this is the male and female? This is the male. Okay, so let's move. Guys, this is your exam forming area. Describe morphology of cockroaches. Okay, I know this is still, you know everything and it's something boring, but you have to study now if you want to score something. And this is, I already tell you that if you didn't study this thing, that examiner pakka they will give you. If you don't study this thing, they definitely give you in your exam, because examiner also know what you learn and what you escape. Okay, head is triangular, clear? Head, first thing is head. I'm starting from here, head. Okay, so head is triangular. Okay, first property is complete, triangular. Okay, where? Anterior. Guys, of course anterior na. Also our head is also anterior located, our legs is posterior located. This is the main na, this is assume na. Okay, this is the anterior part, this is the posterior part. Where our heart is located, this is the ventral part, and where our spinal cord is located, dorsal part. Now guys, it formed by the fusion of 6 segments and shows greater mobility in a direction. Guys, their head is maximum flexible, because their head contains 6 segments. They can mobile in all directions. They are like a owl. They can rotate their neck. Yes guys, maximum flexible. The head capsule bears a pair of compound eyes. This is not a true eyes, guys. Okay, a pair of thread like antenna. These are important. Antenna important. Why? Because they are sensory. They are sensory, and they attach with the socket. Here is a socket, here is a socket, here is a socket. Okay, guys, antenna, what they are? They are sensory receptor. They are sensory receptor. Okay, anterior end of the hand bears appendages forming biting and chewing of mouth part. Okay, the mouth part consisting, where is diagram? Oh guys, come on guys, look at here. I'm explaining here. What to where? These part. Okay, look at guys, their mouth part. Okay, this is the labrum, this is the labium, means upper lip na. Upper lip, lower lip. Look at here, what a horror structure. This is labrum, upper lip. In examination guys, they also give you, like they give you this kind of names, like labrum, like hypopharynx, like labium, mandible, and here they write down that upper lip, tongue, lower lip. So you have to match the following. Okay, they give you any kind of according to competitive. Okay, guys, this is the lower lip. Hypopharynx, these are what? Tongue. These are tongue, and one pair of mandible. They are chewing, grinding. There are one pair of maxilla. Okay, now this is clear. I describe this thing. All right or not? Yes. Okay, now after head, now let's move towards the thorax. Thorax consisting 3 parts: prothorax, okay, mesothorax, okay, metathorax. I already tell you now. This is the prothorax, mesothorax, metathorax. Prothorax, mesothorax, metathorax. Okay, the head is connected with the thorax. Okay guys, this is the head and this is the what? Thorax. So guys, prothorax is known as a neck. Okay, we understand. Prothorax, we can also call it as a neck. So in your examination, tell me what is the name of the neck of the cockroach? Prothorax. Each thoracic segment bear a pair of working legs. Each, guys, prothorax, mesothorax, metathorax. They all carry one pair of legs. So 3 parts: pro, meso, and meta. They all carry what? Leg. So they contain 3 pairs of legs. The legs are also segmented, guys. They are segmented body. Segment. The first pair of wings arise from mesothorax, and these mesothorax, they also contain what? Wings. Okay, and the second pair of from metathorax. Okay. First pair of wings, these are wings, arise from meso. We call it as a forelimb. And now there is meta also na. They also contain wings. We call it as a what? Hind limb. Hind limbs arise from metathorax, and forelimb is arise from what? Mesothorax. Here I clear this thing. Okay, now let's talk about abdomen. Now abdomen in both male and female consists of 10 segments. These are abdomens now. Look at here, these are abdomen made with 10 segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They made up with 10 segments. Where I am. In females, the 7th sternum is boat shaped, and together with the 8th, 9th sterna forms a brood. Females part, 7th part, 8th part, 9th part. What they make? They made their genital pouch. But in the case of males, this is the case of female, and this is the case of male. What special features they have? In males, genital pouch or chamber lies hind end of the, means their 9th and 10th, their segment, their 9th and 10th. What they special thing have? They have their genital pores and gonapophysis. You have to learn this thing, okay? I know this is scientific, but you can learn. If you revise this term 3 to 4 times, you can remember. Males bear a short, okay? Males bear a short anal styles, okay? Anal styles. Male give you style, huh? But females, this is absent. So you can identify male cockroach and female cockroach according to their anal style. If anal style is present, so they are male, and if absent, and these are females. In both sexes, male and female, 10th segment bear a pair of joint filament anal cerci. These are anal cerci. Both male as well as female, male and as well as female, both contain female cerci. Okay, guys. Now let's move. Okay, where I am. Okay, ho gaya. Yeah, that's complete. Morphology is complete, guys. Morphology is complete. Cockroach morphology is complete, and this is the anatomy. This is what anatomy, but anatomy we will discuss in our next video. So take care yourself, keep smiling, and revise, guys. Without revision you can't remember so much names, okay? You can't remember. Your kids na, guys. How can I expect you that you will be Einstein or not? So guys, revise, and thank you for hearing me, listening me. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Come on, Adhyan with flow. Come on, guys. This is not a hormone. Adhyan with flow. Come on, guys. Let's subscribe now. Support me. Thank you. So we will meet in our next video. Happy.